little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub, where we make drawing fun and easy for you. Today, we're going to draw something extra special, a birthday cake. Are you ready to celebrate? Let's get started! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's draw the delicious bottom layer of our birthday cake. Just like this. Now, let's add a beautiful ribbon around the second layer of our cake. So pretty! There we go! Our cake is starting to look yummy already. Let's complete the second layer. Now, let's add some birthday candles to make our cake extra festive. 1, 2, 3. And for some extra flair, let's add some colorful decorations to the bottom layer. So cute! Wow! Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our black marker. Now comes the fun part. Let's choose some beautiful colors to make our cake come to life. Red color. Yellow color. Orange color. Green color. Blue color. Pink color. have it, little artist. A scrumptious birthday cake, just for you. We hope you enjoyed drawing with us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawing tutorials. Until next time, happy drawing! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.